The eternal quest for comfortable temporary sleeping solutions has led to an intriguing battle between two popular contenders: the air mattress and the folding mattress. In our modern world, where space comes at a premium and versatility is key, these portable sleeping solutions have evolved far beyond their humble beginnings. Whether you're hosting unexpected guests, planning a camping adventure, or seeking a space-saving sleeping solution for your studio apartment, the choice between these two options can significantly impact your comfort and convenience. As we dive deep into this comprehensive comparison, we'll unravel the complexities of these modern sleep solutions, exploring everything from their innovative designs to their practical implications for daily use. Whether you're a frequent host, an occasional camper, or someone looking to maximize living space without compromising on comfort, understanding the distinct advantages and limitations of each option will help you make an informed decision that aligns with your specific needs and lifestyle. Design and construction. Air mattresses utilize advanced chamber systems with multiple air compartments, typically constructed from PVC or TPU materials. Modern designs like the Airpedic feature high-quality urethane chambers that provide flexibility and eliminate the need for inflexible nylon coatings. The internal structure often includes vertical air chambers or coils that help distribute weight more effectively than horizontal air beams. Folding mattresses, in contrast, are built with multiple layers of high-density foam and memory foam, featuring a trifold or multifold design. They typically include removable, washable covers with non-slip bottoms and range from 4 to 6 inches in thickness when unfolded. Comfort and support. Air mattresses offer customizable firmness through adjustable air pressure, though this can be both a blessing and a curse. While users can modify the firmness to their preference, air pressure fluctuations throughout the night can lead to inconsistent support. The multi-chamber design in premium models helps distribute weight more evenly, but even the best air mattresses may experience some degree of sagging or hammocking effect over extended use. Folding mattresses provide consistent, reliable support without the risk of pressure fluctuations. The foam layers conform to body contours and offer superior pressure point relief. The medium firm feel typically strikes a balance between comfort and support, making them particularly suitable for regular guest use. Temperature regulation. Temperature management varies significantly between these options. Air mattresses can be problematic in temperature regulation as the air inside responds to ambient temperature changes. Cold temperatures cause air contraction, leading to deflation, while heat causes expansion that can make the mattress uncomfortably firm. Folding mattresses generally offer better temperature regulation through their breathable materials. Many modern designs incorporate cooling gel memory foam layers that help dissipate heat and maintain a more consistent sleeping temperature. This makes them particularly comfortable in varying climate conditions. Durability and longevity. Air mattresses, despite improvements in technology, remain vulnerable to punctures, leaks, and valve problems. Even high-quality models can develop slow leaks over time, requiring regular maintenance and potential repairs. The material can stretch with repeated use, affecting the mattress's ability to maintain proper air pressure. Folding mattresses demonstrate superior durability with their solid foam construction. They maintain their shape and support characteristics over extended periods, making them a more reliable long-term investment. The absence of mechanical components or air chambers eliminates many common failure points. Convenience and portability. Air mattresses excel in compactness when deflated, making them ideal for storage in small spaces. However, they require inflation before use, which can be time-consuming and depends on access to power sources for electric pumps. Modern models feature built-in pumps that can inflate the mattress in about 4 minutes. Folding mattresses offer immediate usability without setup time, but take up more storage space even when folded. Their trifold design makes them relatively easy to transport, though they're bulkier than deflated air mattresses. Many models come with carrying handles and straps for improved portability. Noise levels. Air mattresses can produce noticeable noise during movement due to air shifting within chambers and material friction. The plastic components often create squeaking sounds that might disturb light sleepers. Folding mattresses operate silently, with no mechanical components or air movement to create noise. This makes them particularly suitable for sensitive sleepers or shared sleeping spaces. Best use scenarios. Air mattresses are ideal for occasional use, camping trips, and situations where storage space is at a premium. They excel in temporary sleeping arrangements and environments where portability is crucial. Folding mattresses prove more suitable for regular guest use, small living spaces, and situations requiring consistent comfort. They also serve well as multi-purpose furniture, doubling as seating when folded. Their reliability and comfort make them particularly appropriate for extended guest stays or semi-permanent sleeping arrangements. Maintenance and care. Air mattresses require regular maintenance to ensure optimal performance. They need periodic checks for leaks, proper inflation levels, and careful handling to prevent punctures. The valves and seams should be inspected regularly, as these are common points of failure. In contrast, folding mattresses require minimal maintenance beyond occasional cover washing and proper storage to maintain their shape. Cost-benefit analysis. When evaluating long-term value, folding mattresses typically offer better returns despite higher initial costs. While air mattresses may seem more economical at first, the potential need for replacements due to leaks or pump failures can increase their lifetime cost. High-quality folding mattresses, though more expensive up front, provide consistent performance and durability that justifies the investment. Health considerations. Air mattresses can pose health concerns, particularly for certain users. They have poor air permeability and may contribute to rheumatic conditions, making them unsuitable for elderly individuals or children. Additionally, their inconsistent support can exacerbate back problems. Folding mattresses generally offer better health benefits through their stable support structure and breathable materials. However, they may still have limitations in providing specialized support for specific medical conditions or sleep positions. Environmental impact. Temperature fluctuations significantly affect air mattress performance, with cold temperatures causing deflation and heat leading to overinflation. This sensitivity can disrupt sleep quality and require frequent adjustments. Folding mattresses maintain consistent performance regardless of environmental conditions, offering better temperature regulation through their foam construction. Guest experience. For guest accommodation, folding mattresses provide a more reliable sleeping solution. They offer immediate usability without setup time and maintain consistent comfort throughout the night. Air mattresses, while space-efficient, may create anxiety for guests due to potential deflation issues and noise during movement. Storage requirements. Despite their compact nature when deflated, air mattresses still require careful storage to prevent damage. Folding mattresses, while bulkier, offer more versatility in storage options and can often serve dual purposes as seating when folded. Their durability makes them less susceptible to storage-related damage. Professional applications. In hospitality settings, folding mattresses often prove more practical due to their reliability and ease of use. They require less staff training for setup and maintenance compared to air mattresses, which need proper inflation techniques and regular monitoring for. This makes them particularly suitable for frequent use in guest accommodations or temporary housing situations. Which is better? The final choice between these options should be guided by individual circumstances and priorities. For those seeking a durable, comfortable, and reliable sleeping solution for regular use, a folding mattress represents the better investment. However, if maximum portability and minimal storage footprint are essential criteria, and the mattress will see only occasional use, an air mattress remains a practical choice. The decision ultimately depends on balancing factors such as intended frequency of use, available storage space, comfort requirements, and budget considerations against the specific advantages and limitations of each option. In essence, while both types of mattresses have their place in the market, folding mattresses generally offer a more robust and satisfying solution for those who can accommodate their slightly larger storage requirements and higher initial cost. Their superior comfort, reliability, and long-term value make them the recommended choice for anyone prioritizing quality sleep and durability over maximum portability.